Hey everybody, this is our week 4 introduction. Last week we really talked about the instructional process and how to design a lesson plan. This week we're really going to look at how to integrate academic concepts into physical education. This comes from chapter 11 in your book, and I've used some resources that are going to help you with this. One of these resources, and probably the most important resource, is out of Illinois. So there's some videos with this and some assignments that go with this. But this is from learningreadinesspe.com. They're a really good resource. There's some good information here about how physical education can have a big impact on academics. Physical activity has a positive impact on dealing with stress, on preparing your mind, getting the blood flow to your mind, to your brain before you go to class. So you'll see there's a school here in Illinois. This is in Naperville, Illinois, which includes Chicago. But they use physical education in some of these schools to help students to focus in class. So before a student goes to their hardest class of the day, it may be a math class, they would go to PE class and spend 20 minutes and get their heart rate really, really high. And then as soon as they have their heart rate in the target zone for 20 minutes, they would leave PE class and go straight to their math class. And as a result of this, they're able to focus better and make better grades in class. So they've used the physical activity to really help the students. So there's some good information in this module about how you can do that and manage students better to optimize their academic learning in class. There's a program here called Math and Movement. There's a website there and some videos from Math and Movement that really teach you how to incorporate mathematics and PE and help students really learn their math facts. There's a group of teachers from Rochester, New York, who use this. There's a news show from Albuquerque, New Mexico that kind of covers a lot of this. And then there's the website Math and Movement. Those are really good resources for you, but give you real practical examples of how to integrate academic concepts. You'll learn how to use PE to physical education to prepare for standardized tests. You're going to have an assignment here where you're going to come up with an assignment or a lesson plan that incorporates PE and academics. You could use your book for this, or you can use the internet for this. You're going to do an assignment here on skip counting. Skip counting is when you learn to count by skipping numbers. So instead of counting by ones, I would count by twos. I would go 2, 4, 6, 8, or I could count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, whatever you would want to do. So those are learning your math facts. So I made a video here showing you how to use physical activity to do skip counting. And here's another video from Math and Movement where they're demonstrating the same thing. In this assignment, you will create your own video showing me how to count by 4. So you're going to come up with a Math and Movement skip counting type of video to submit. So there's a video assignment. With this, you need to make sure that you're using a good quality video. You can use your phone, but have somebody film you or put your phone on a tripod, but the quality of your video is going to be reflected in your grade. The discussion this week is about preparing for exams, how you would prepare for exam, just as a college student, how you could use the information in this class to prepare for an exam. And this week you have your proctored exam. The proctored exam is going to cover last week's module. And if you'll look in last week, there is an assignment that tells you how to prepare for that exam. So it's last week's information that's going to show you how to prepare for this week's proctored test. Good luck with the work this week. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be glad to help you.